welcome back for another video. So today we're gonna make this quick wave together. I'm using the Zury one pack is enough, the V8910, and I got this on sale for $19.99. Actually, shout outs to Precious, aka That Princess Ink, for the hookup. It comes with 3 bundles and a closure. So the bundles are 10, 9, 8 inches, and then an 8-inch closure if I'm not mistaken, but I believe it is an 8-inch closure. And so for your closure, I would say get some pins. I could not find any of my pins. It was super late at night and that was the only time I had to make this wig, and so I had my husband actually help me hold the rest of it. That's why you probably won't be seeing it. So with that being said, the scalp that I used is from the beauty supply. It was like $1.99 or something like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and protect the mannequin head because I don't want the glue to like be everywhere or to mess up the mannequin head. So that is that. And if you're wondering, this mannequin head, I got it from Amazon. It is the size 24. It's a bit bigger, but it does the trick for me. So now onto the gluing part. Normally I would, respect myself and use my hot glue gun, just make my life simple and fast and everything, but I couldn't find any of my glue that night whatsoever. I don't know if my daughters are eating it. No, I'm just joking, they're not eating it, but I probably ran out of my glues, but it is what it is. So I had this glue from the beauty supply. I don't know why it could not stick onto the cap. Like, I don't know what was going on. I don't know what went wrong. But anyways, after about three tracks, I just, I was just like over it. So what I would do, I would apply the glue first, do it won't stick, which I already knew, and then I'll go ahead and do it the second time, which it will stick, somewhat stick onto the cap, and then I'll go ahead and use my Got To Be glue spray. That was very, very helpful. It actually stuck to the cap. And when I was gluing, I had to leave a lot of space out because it's one pack. Yes, you think, oh, it's gonna be enough. It is gonna be enough, but you gotta finesse the edge out of this pack, okay? You gotta make it work, basically. So I was leaving maybe about 1.5 inches to almost 2 inches spaces, and as I got to the top, I tried to make it close, but it was not that close, you guys. But the way this hair is, and I was planning on like undoing or like unrolling, no, what's the word? I was planning on unraveling the curls. That's the word. I was planning on unraveling the curls, and so I knew that it was gonna be full anyways, and I decided to go ahead and sew in the last 2 tracks. So I doubled it, as you can see in the clip. So that is it for this hair tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and here I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram, LisaOfficiallyLive, and my Snapchat, which is Lisa_Mace. Thank you all so much for watching again. God bless.